Morning. Let's talk about the view for Nifty on Monday. If we have seen, Nifty is basically trading in a very tight range, and Nifty is trading in a range of 300 400 points last week, and Nifty is not able to clear its high. Nifty is facing a stiff, sort of a resistance at around 26,200 odd levels, and still it need to clear 26,300 330 odd levels for further rally. So what we need to do, if you see, there is a black line in the charts. This is the 20 SMA, or this is the middle band of the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is an indicator which uses standard deviation and tells the deviation from a price, which a price can do from the present price. Presently, if we see at the daily chart, the Nifty is trading at a 20 SMA support and is trading at a at a support of 20 SMA, which is also the middle band of the Bollinger Band. So obviously we need to be cautious while shorts. What we could do, we have seen Nifty took a good support at its 20 SMA, or the middle of the band, Bollinger Band. So this is an important support. Obviously we can't short the market. And again, if we see this red line, this is the 50 SMA which we have put, and obviously we have used some settings in the SMA. So market is playing above 50 SMA and 20 SMA. Obviously these two averages, one is 20, the other one is 50. Market is above both, the price is trading above both the averages. So obviously the market is not weak. We need to keep the basic definition of trading, and all these things should be kept in mind before we take any call, or if we blindly short the market. Simply we need to go and see, is the market trading about 20 SMA or 50 SMA. Presently the market is about 20 SMA and trading about 50 SMAs. Obviously we would like to take calls for long. Whenever we see opportunity in the market, we will try and see where we could buy the price, or from which support the price is taking bounce or breaking previous highs. We will try to long the market from last swing highs near 15 minutes candle, 30 minutes candle, 1 hour candle, from where the market is taking making new highs. So basically this is a very important support for the Nifty, even for Monday or for the coming week. Now what we could do on Monday, simply we will take the chart for 15 minutes, and we have seen there is some sort of buying which came in last 1 hour in the market on Friday. So we will mark a point. If the market will trade on Monday above 26,057, we will like to long the market till the market is about 26,000. 26,000 is a very important support for the market. What we could do, we could try the market long above 26,057. Even if we get the market near 26,000 on Monday, we should try and build up strategies with January call options, buying OTM calls, not exactly OTM, maybe somewhere around 200 points, 100 points above 26,000, and we should try to hedge the positions of the call options by selling further call options. This will reduce the risk of the call prices which we have bought for the market. So what market could do, market if comfortably is trading above 26,057 odd levels. If the market is trading about 26,055 57 odd levels, the market could try to reach around 26,110 120 levels on Monday. So the important levels for Monday is 26,057 odd levels on the upside. On the downside, if the market is not able to sustain about 26,019 odd levels and starts making negative candles in first 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or maybe an hour, then we will try to short the market with the swing high. Obviously we will not never short the market in the first go. We will like to take a double confirmation. What is a double confirmation? We will never short on the first red candle. We will wait for the market. We will wait for the market to come to the resistance again, and if the market is not able to sustain to the resistance again and breaks the second low, we will short the market. These are the basic things which we need to follow while doing the intraday swing trading. Obviously you should always use an indicator VAP. VAP is a very important indicator for the daily trading, or for a trading which we do for 10, 15, 20 minutes, using 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes charts. Intraday traders should try and use VAP, which is an important indicator for the intraday trading. Of what can be the downside on Monday market if is not able to sustain on 26,000, then market could try and test these levels, which is around 25,905 levels. But again, market is looking buy on dips. If market starts making good candles near 26,000, we will try to long the market, and we are still bullish on the market. We are not bearish on the market. Simply looking at the daily chart, simply looking at the moving averages, simply looking at the price action, the market is on a bull side, and we are not so bearish on the market. So obviously we will try to long the trades. One mindset, one trade. Basically, if generally you are a trader who like to long the market, we should always try to find the opportunities where we could long the positions. Obviously, the daily chart is not bearish. The weekly chart still is not bearish. The monthly chart is still not bearish. So we will try to long the trades. We will not short the market without confirmation. Have a good trading Monday. Have a good weekend, and let's see what happens of on Monday. Thank you.